Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to create Java project and also create sample Java class to verify that it works. We can write Selenium WebDriver scripts both in Java project and also in Maven project. Today, let's create Java project in Eclipse. So we have in earlier sessions, we have learned how to install Java and configure system variables, and also we have downloaded and installed Eclipse. We have created a workspace in Eclipse. Now when we have launched the Eclipse IDE, so now you can find the package explorer on the left side, and when you right click on the package explorer, there are some options: new, showing, copy paste, import, export. So you can create Java project in Eclipse in two ways. One is right click in the project package explorer, take your cursor to new, and you can find a Java project. You can create new Java project. And also you can take your cursor to file, new, and then click on Java project. So we got create a Java project pop-up. Now there are some default values, default checkbox is selected, and here you need to provide a project name here. So I will give Selenium WebDriver project. Is default location. This is my default location for Selenium project, and this is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Use an execution environment, JRE. This is default selected, and the default value of this is Java Standard Edition -1.8. If it is less than 1.8, please select 1.8 version. And you can sell the default, the project layout will be create separate folders for sources and also class files. So this is default value, default radio button selected. And when click on next button, you can see under the source tab, the project name what we have given is Selenium WebDriver project, and you can find a source subfolder under that. And you can click on finish button. Now you can see in the package explorer and expand it. So there is a Java Runtime Environment System library and also subfolder SRC. If you expand this, you can find all the jars which are required to execute the Java project. Now let's create a sample Java program. I'm just clicking on right clicking on the SRC and taking my cursor to new and select class. I'm going to create a Java class now and provide Java class name. So I will give, because this is my first Java program, I say first Java program. And which method steps would you like to create? I will select public static void main and click on finish. Now you can find my Java template, the first Java program template, the class and the main method. Now I'll just sys out and control space. So it automatically gives the system out.println. I want to print, this is my first Java program. Let's execute it. Execute it by taking your right clicking in the same space and taking cursor to run as and select Java application. Okay. See, you got the output. This is my first Java program. Thanks for watching this video. In the next lesson, we will learn about how to launch Chrome browser and we'll start writing sample Selenium WebDriver programs.